Muscovy ducks of Functional Rustic in their newly enclosed barn. The whole back of the barn has 6 mil clear plastic wrap. It's amazing. Lets in a lot more light than I thought it would. So if you can see, the ducks can fly in between those 2 stalls. And then, hi gentlemen. I'm gonna take, there's fencing up there right now, but I'm gonna take that down and then they'll be able to fly between all 3 stalls. Very exciting. Lots going on in the Functional Rustic barn today. See everything else that Functional Rustic has to offer at functionalrustic.com.